surfing changed not my life only, my village people, everything changed surfing. So my village boys traveling around the world. I'm also traveling. My village also so many tourist people coming, surfing, staying at homestay, restaurant. So lot of changing.
Yeah, it's good. It's good to see other Asian surfers come to Phuket, and I think it raises the level of surfing in Phuket. And yeah, we're really excited to have Brass come here. It's good for Thailand.